Hi, friends. Today, I want you to get inspired about your power to choose. A great thinker once said, "We live our lives choice by choice." What does that mean? It means that while we can't always change the things that happen to us and around us, we can always change how we respond to them. When we choose to respond to situations that cause us stress with a sense of equanimity and non resistance, our whole life changes. Our experience changes, our physiology changes, our attitude changes, and we become empowered to realize that we have many more choices than we think. Today, I want you to take a situation that you don't look forward to, choose to surround it with light and handle it with non resistance, and see how much more joyful and how much more energy you have. God bless you and have a wonderful day. You deserve it.